Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine at home by the blessings of Almighty Allah. I am Miss Sakina from KPS Yunsu Handwara, the maths teacher of class LKG. Today our topic is big and small. Before moving ahead, I will spell out big and small. B I G big. B I G big. S M A L L small. S M A L L small. Now, what do you mean by big and small? Dear students, big means those things which are large in size, and small means those things which are not large in size. Big means बड़ा, जो साइज में बड़ा हो, जो आपको बड़ा दिखता हो. एंड स्मॉल मीन्स छोटा, जो साइज में छोटा हो, जो आपको छोटा दिखता हो. Now, let's see a few examples of big and small. See, here are two teddy bears. First one is big and the second one is small. ये जो पहला वाला टेडी यहाँ पे है, इसका साइज जो है वो बड़ा है, और दूसरा वाला जो है इसका साइज छोटा है. फर्स्ट टेडी इज बिग एंड द सेकंड इज स्मॉल. Here are two multicolored balls. First ball is big and the second ball is small. ये जो फर्स्ट मल्टी कलर्ड बॉल है ये साइज में बड़ी है, और जो दूसरी मल्टी कलर्ड बॉल है ये साइज में छोटी है. Here are two pictures. The elephant and a rat. The elephant is big in size and the rat is small in size. ये जो एलिफेंट है ये साइज में बड़ा है, और जो रैट है ये साइज में छोटा है. Now I will show you more examples. Big apple, small apple. Big apple, small apple. Big cake, small cake. Big cake, small cake. Big ball, small ball. Big ball, small ball. Big book, small book, big book, small book. So dear students, look at this picture. Which house is big and which house is small? Dear students, the blue house is big. The green house is small. Now, look at this picture. First tree is small. Second one is big. Look at this picture. The first chair is big and the second chair is small. Now dear students, read with me. Big apple, small apple. Big apple, small apple. Small ball, big ball. Small ball, big ball. Big box, small box. Big box, small box. Big pumpkin, small pumpkin. Big pumpkin, small pumpkin. Small bug, big bug. Small bug, big bug. Okay dear students, it was about big and small. Now I will give you a home task, that is practice page number 8 on your maths book. May Allah protect all of us from this coronavirus disease. Stay home, stay safe.